Hello everybody. 안녕하세요. As you can see, I'm outside and it's snowing. 눈 너무 많이 와요. It snows a lot. So this weather reminds me of one Korean idiomatic expression, which is 발이 묶이다. 발이 묶이다. Have you guys heard that before? 네, and today's we're doing Korean like a native. So 발이 묶이다. 발 is your foot or feet, and 묶이다 is the passive form of 묶다, which means 묶다 means to tie or to bind, like using the rope or ribbon or chain. So 묶이다 is like to be tied or to be chained. So 발이 묶이다 literally means your feet are tied or your feet are chained. So can you guess what it means? 무슨 뜻인지 알겠나요? I think I can hear this expression from the news, especially when the weather is just crazy like this. 어쨌든 발이 묶이다 means you're stuck in or you can go anywhere. Like if your feet are actually tied up, you can go anywhere, right? 그래서 especially when the weather is bad like this, we use this phrase. So for example, I heard this expression from the news a few weeks ago. Like 갑작스런 폭설로 만여 명의 승객들이 제주 공항에 발이 묶여 있습니다. 갑작스런 폭설로, it means 폭설 means heavy snow. So 갑작스런 폭설 is sudden heavy snow. Okay. 갑작스런 폭설로 due to the sudden heavy snow. 만여 명의 승객들이, 만여 명 means about 10,000. Because 만 명 is 10,000. Okay. And 승객 means passenger. So 승객들 is passengers. Okay. So 갑작스런 I can speak Korean. 갑작스런 폭설로 만여 명의 승객들이 What did I say? 제주 공항에 in the Jeju airport 발이 묶여 있습니다. They are stuck in. Okay? 갑작스러운 폭설로 due to the heavy snow 만여 명의 승객들이 more than 10,000 passengers are stuck in. Currently stuck in. 현재 제주 공항에 묶여 있습니다. 저 지금 약간 눈 때문에 정신이 없는 것 같아요. 어쨌든 그렇게 씁니다. Or you can say like 지하철이 고장나서 발이 묶여 있어. 지하철이 고장나서 발이 묶여 있어. 지하철 is subway and 고장나다 is to be out of order. So 지하철이 고장나서 the subway is out of order. Out of order. Does it make sense? Out of order. 발이 묶여 있어. I can't go anywhere. Okay? 지하철이 고장나서 발이 묶였어. I can't go anywhere. Okay? 발이 묶이다 means to be stuck or like you can go anywhere. You're tied. 그럴 때 yeah, in that situation you can use 발이 묶이다. Especially when it comes to the weather situation or when you meet unexpected situation. 알겠죠? 눈 너무 많이 와요. See? 여러분 그러면 I think I need to go home. 제 앞머리 좀 보세요. Look at my bangs. 젖었어. 다 젖었어요. My camera is wet. My mic is wet. 그러면 I hope you guys like this video. And I'll see you guys in the next time. 이 영상이 좋으셨으면 좋아요와 구독 눌러주세요. Bye!